今年はウェールズの年ということで、日本とウェールズの文化交流がすごくたくさん行われるんですけれども、その中の一つとしてウェールズのバンド、それから音楽を通して日本の皆様にウェールズの文化を知っていただける機会になることをとても楽しみにしています。
The brass band movement in Japan only started 45 years ago, and that was with a gentleman called Takeo Yamamoto, who visited the UK, fell in love with brass bands, went back to Tokyo, and he formed the first brass band over there, the Tokyo Concert Band.
Dechreuodd y band nôl ar ddiwedd y 14th ganrif ar 15, band lleol, band oedd yn cael ei ddefnyddio i ddiddanu, a wrth gwrs a cadw pobl mas o drafferth, a peidio goryfed, a dyna pam mae'r enw band dirwestol gyda ni ar y fand.
The band has current students, grads, alumni. Owen Farr is one of our tutors in the brass department at the college. The fact that Tongwynlais Temperance Band is going out there is really emblematic of a tradition that is so important to Wales. One of those traditions that's allowed Wales to punch way above its weight. You know, brilliant that this is a tradition that is flourishing in Japan.
I am excited to be going to Japan. I've never been there before. We will be doing some concerts with some, I believe, youth bands out there, so that'll be quite exciting as well.
To be able to do concerts every day in a place like Japan and actually to share the stage with them, I think is very, very special.
I think it'll be a really good chance to kind of see how they do things over there, and we've got kind of the traditional Welsh brass banding thing that we're taking over there, but also how they do things in a maybe more modern way, and things we can learn from that as well.
Ac wrth gwrs, sylweddoli bod gyda ni cyfleon i rhannu y neges ni, i glywed gan pobl ifanc a pobl yn eu cymunedau yn Japan, a magu perthynas glosach mewn byd sy'n anffodus wrth gwrs yn mynd ar wasg. A dyn ni'n ddefnyddio'r cyfle yma i gryfhau y perthynas, i gryfhau y ffrindiau sydd gyda ni, a sicrhau bod gyda ni sylfaen cadarn ar gyfer y cyfrwng o bandiau pres ar gyfer y dyfodol.
People in Wales are very similar to where I'm from in Japan, really warm and welcoming, and although Wales is a different place to Japan, but this is the reason why I found Cardiff and Wales as my second home.
The friendship, the music, it's learning something, and learning music is like learning another language, really. And I've always loved it.
Any language, any sex, any race, whatever you speak, music brings everybody together, and it's a very, very powerful thing indeed. So we're all very passionate about that. This is the first, but we'd certainly love to see something more from this, and perhaps maybe to see some of the bands we perform with over there, they get the chance to come over here and perform with us and see our culture and traditions here too.